Hey everyone, Omar Espinoza here, middle school arts, media, and entertainment teacher here in Southern California. And today I'm going to be going over how to get Canva for Education so you can go ahead and start creating content and projects with your students. All right, let's get into it. We're going to go ahead and Google or whatever search engine you use. I'm going to go ahead and type Canva for Education. And I'm going to click the first link. As you can tell, it has the education portion of it. You're going to get this window. So since you're a teacher, you're going to go ahead and click sign up now. Now, there are different ways to do this. You can sign up with Clever if your district uses Clever, sign up with Google or Microsoft, or lastly, you can sign up with an email. It does need to be an education email like .org or .edu. This will make everything a lot easier and you get access a lot quicker. For me personally, I signed up with Google. I trust Canva. It's one of those few sites that I trust, and it just makes everything easier. So go ahead and sign up however you feel comfortable. You can either sign up with Google or with your email, but make sure it is your education email, .edu or .org. And once you're in, you're going to see a cap, a graduation cap, and just your name. It'll probably say your name and team. And the cool part about this is that if you click on here, scroll down, you can have designs ready for your class. You can have folders, templates, and that's one that I use a lot, and I'll be talking about it as time goes on. Apps, and the next one is people, and if you scroll down, you can the way you get your students on is you can either import it from Google Classroom. If you connected Google, you can do enter via code or get an invite link. For me, I like to do the invite code. So once I click on that, you'll have your link, canva.com//class/join, and then you have a code. You just tell the students to add the code like Google Classroom, and they get automatically put in.